How to change Messenger time zone. Now, first things first is you need to make sure that your Messenger application is well updated. And then we have to understand that as of 2024, all your phone system settings is linked or is has already been synced to your application, which is the Messenger app. Not to change it, well, if you travel to a different country, you just need to make sure that your local time zone is automatically set. For you to double check that, you go to settings, you search for time, you tap date and time. Here, this is where you can set your time zone automatically, and you can also set it manually. Now, your system settings is always synced with your Messenger app. This is to ensure that your messages aligned to your local time zone. So that's how you change your Messenger time zone as of 2024.